No, I have no idea what a week is, in case you're wondering. Another comment from our longtime viewer beauty lover asking about in-painting and upscaling with SDXL online rather than locally. Now, you all know I'm a big advocate of SD 1.5, but since I'm here to serve the public, I looked into it over the last few days. I was able to find a few links to a Google Collab space where you could run Stable Diffusion online, and you could probably have gotten what you wanted out of that, but it looks like Google has gotten wise to what's going on and has cracked down on the practice, putting it behind a paywall. You can try to go in and generate for free, but you'll get shut down at random. I found a website called Paperspace, which is billing itself as a direct competitor to Google's hosting specifically for running Stable Diffusion. They say, kind of vaguely, that you can get what you need done with it with their free tier, but you need an account and a phone number to do it, so I'll warn you, I haven't actually gone any further than the front page. Still, that's a lead at least. My first thought when I heard your problem was to use SD 1.5, if you can get that running on your computer, to in-paint your Excel pictures. I'm pretty sure that would work. It might not be perfectly what you're after, but I bet you could get really close. I'll leave you a link for the 1.5 version of Juggernaut and the upscaler model 4X Ultra Sharp, which should work with it in case you want to go in that direction. Update on the progress of AI 3D models. Article on Stability AI about something they call Stable 0123, promising the moon, just like every article does. They've worked out a system that uses SD 1.5 to generate 3D objects that look almost exactly like blobs with images stretched over them using nothing but 24 gigabytes of VRAM. Jesus Christ. Golly, when you say it like that, it sounds like nothing. From what I gather, the big achievement is being able to communicate to the program what angle an image is supposed to appear at, basically using SD to generate views of a number of camera angles. It's progress, to be sure. The techniques and technology are developing quickly, and soon we'll have something really worth talking about, maybe even from these guys. Non-commercial use. Yeah, good luck with that, guys. Some of you might have seen Jay Schlatt, good sport that he is, doing a cover of his AI cover of Frank Sinatra to celebrate the bittersweet taste of his new immortalization as a popular voice model. And this got me thinking that I've seen a few of you out there still wondering what separates AI voices that sound more or less human from ones that speak in a monotone. It's really simple. You just have to read the lines yourself, then convert that sound file using the voice model. Don't sit around waiting for text-to-speech to sound less retarded. Here's another tip for the week. I haven't talked about negative embeddings before. I mentioned using a LoRa set to a negative value. It's similar. A negative embedding is basically a ready-made negative prompt, so you have to spend less time typing bad hands, bad anatomy, that sort of thing into the negative prompt box. The go-to is easy negative, which I'll put a link to down below. Well, that's it for this week. Remember, if you want more AI news and don't want to wait, just go out and do something stupid that I have to report on.